you're working with. Pretty thin, playing hard to get. Keep going, don't you ever quit. Yeah, show me what you're working with. I got confidence, I get compliments. I'm gonna live my life with that opulence. I'm so popular, I got influence. I'm gonna set the trends and then rock with it. Like, oh.
So this is a quick room tour. Of this.
Morning po.
Ay,
Pwede po kayo ma-open?
yeah, tinanggal ko lang sa saksakan na ayaw na.
Baka po yung isang card, sir.
Nasa baba kasi yung misis ko na nasa kanya yung isang card.
Assist ko na lang kayo, sir.
Yeah.
You okay? The lights already turned off. Any familiar to name with that costume red there?
So that was actually being recorded. It cannot open the room. So that's one mission.
Hey, what's up Eat Me Travel You viewers? It's Mike, Jackie, and JM. Welcome to our channel. We have stayed in over 80 plus hotels in the Philippines and abroad. We share hotel stay reviews, restaurant food reviews, and tips for your next staycation or vacation tours.
This is the one bedroom suite of Via Appia. So as you can see, there's a sofa bed. There's a huge TV over there. And they have a separate kitchen and dining room here. This one, toilet, shower,
Cover
and
comida especial and dias festivos. Took me a while to complete. Took me a while.
bedroom.
Use your translator.
you see this is a bedroom. And you have a great view over here of their chapel and the parking lot. So that's it for this quick room tour. We're going to have our wedding renewal event in a few hours. So see you in the next video.